Welcome, everybody, to American Dream Trading's live training. Good morning, everybody. Merry Christmas Eve. Hopefully, you guys are excited and ready for Christmas. And I know we are. There is trading today. It's only going to be a half day, though. So I believe the market closes at 9. Closes at 9. Oh, nine's in my head because of the live. It closes at 1, so we will do that, and then I will be live at 1:30, just from 1:30 to 2:30. Go ahead and do a quick little aftermarket show. So if you want to join and hang out for a little bit right before you get your Christmas holiday started, that'd be amazing. Maybe we might do two truths and a lie. I don't know. That's what we did last night. We had a good time. Thank you, everybody who came there. Listen, smash that like button. Make sure that you are double tapping that screen over there on TikTok. Let's get to at least 100,000 likes today. Give it to us for Christmas, would you? American Dream Trading is owned and operated by Chad W. Christian, who's a 34-year stock market vet, and he literally has traded every market condition imaginable, and he trains us how to do the same thing. We know how to chart, we know how to use our support and resistance, we know how to do long-term strategies, we trade crypto, we trade futures, and if you'd like to join American Dream Trading, I'm going to go ahead and put that on the screen for you here. Please make sure you are going to. Maybe I'm not. I think. There we go. Go to AmericanDreamTrading.com so that you can go ahead and get signed up. I believe, Bruno, do we still have a couple of diamonds left? Okay. All right. But we still got the VIP, right? There you go. Promo code Christmas. That's all you got to do. Very easy. And you can go ahead and get signed up and become a member of American Dream Trading, if none other than to be a part of this live Zoom call. Everybody, say hi to the people out there. Let them know you're here.
Yo, how's everybody doing?
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Merry Christmas.
Navidad. Good morning.
Hello from Rhode Island.
Good morning.
Merry Christmas from Orlando, Florida.
Merry Christmas from Arkansas.
Oh, look at the bass in that voice. Listen, I think we are the only trading community that has a live open Zoom mic call like that. Our coach trains us so that we can interact with him and ask him questions live, be able to get the training that we need, and he focuses on training and not making his own profits. He's successfully created 16 millionaires, right? And retired hundreds of people from their 9-to-5 job with his simple strategies. So you'll witness us basically trying to fill his shoes this morning and talking through some stocks. These call outs that you hear are not something that you should just go jump in. We are trained to look at the stock, go chart it out, see if it's something that's feasible. But we don't chase shiny pennies over here. We simply call it out. Everything that you hear, though, is for training and educational purposes only. None of us are tax or financial advisors, so we're not telling you to get in or out of anything. We're simply training at this point. So there be the introduction. Bruno, you ready to make some money today? I think I'm going to sit on my hands. Yep, I'm doing that now. Did I do that? Oh, crap. Okay, let me take that off. Hold on. My bad. So you've already got it up then? Yeah, there it is. Okay.
And December 24th, like I said before, the initial jobless claims numbers came out, 214,000 actual forecast. It was 223, came in under as expected, which is good for the market. More people are at work than people sitting home. Prior forecasted 224. As long as those data points are accurate and there's no updates or revisions or modifications that need to be done, market reacted accordingly to those. Christmas week and a big money is not out to play, at least not right now. So we don't know what's going to happen today if they do their trading within the first couple hours and then all that's left is retail traders or not. But the volume, there has been a lack of volume across the board. So NVIDIA had a really good day yesterday. If you want to take a look at NVIDIA's previous day chart, we can see NVIDIA was probably one of the ones that had the best EWO, which we practice and train on the EWO strategy using the LA Wave oscillator on the 2-minute time frame. And then this is more of a longer play for a day trader when things are aligned and things go in your favor. So when we have runs like this, 2-minute EWO is supposed to keep you in the game a little bit longer, maximizing those overall profits. If you want to learn more about the EWO strategy, we have a ton of free resources on our Discord as well. So AmericanDreamTrading.com. You could sign up for a free membership today to get you in the door and kind of hang out with us in our Traders Lounge, which has access, or all free members have access to it. So AmericanDreamTrading.com. You could sign up today for a free membership, and that will give you access to our free educational training section that you can start learning about the stock market today. Some of the specials and promos we have, like I said before, promo code Christmas at checkout, 50% off your yearly membership. It could be a premium, which normally goes for $1,250. Slash that in half. We have our VIP, which is $2,500 a year. You could slash that in half. And then the futures is also $2,500, slash that in half. And then any other yearly membership, you can do 50% off. Promo code Christmas at checkout. If you get into our Discord, we have all the links available in membership info promos or membership promos and info. There is a specific dedicated channel with all the links available to you for purchase. All right. So we got plenty of time left in the market to open. We were at 9:09. So
may I make an announcement?
Of course you can. Of course you can. Richard, one of our wonderful moderators here at ADT.
Thank you. But today, everybody needs to know that I'm really home alone today, but I'm not Scrooged. I do believe it's a wonderful life, and even though in Arkansas it's not a white Christmas. Thank you.
He's home alone. I wish I had a soundboard right now. Kevin! Richard! All right. So so today, don't hold any bias with the market. We might see a continuation of that low volume. So if there are any moves, I'm definitely not going to chase things like I did yesterday. So I want to try to wait for the right setup. Yesterday on SPY, we saw that mishmash. We'll go flip over to SPY real quick, where we always, the first rejection is always the best rejection. And unfortunately, it did start to stall out that double top there on the open with SPY. But then afterwards, it just kind of pushed itself right through. And then every time we reached a resistance level, we tried it. Again, it has to be done fast. You cannot, if you're a scalper, and you're not trading an EWO strategy, let me turn some of my indicators on. We use a couple different ones. We have the moving average 200, the VWAP, which is probably the most important indicator out there. And then we have the EMA, the 9, the 21, and the 55. Yes, I've heard others. I've heard people say the 20 and the 50, but we use the 21 and the 55 for our moving averages, exponential moving averages. So, but yeah, going into this, just a review of SPY yesterday, we had a situation where we came up to a double top, and normally a double top is a scalp opportunity all day long, back to the downside. Unfortunately, SPY had other plans. So there's nothing wrong with taking a chance on it as long as you're keeping that stop. Now, Coach mentioned it yesterday, keeping the stop down below a certain level, maybe below your 21 or your 9, but finding a support area and keeping your stop like slightly below that. Not really heavily relying on the ATR, the average true range. Remember, there are two types of average true ranges. There's one for the stock, and then there's one for the options. So make sure that you're on the proper chart when you are looking at the ATR, the average true range. But then again, if you have days where if you don't have consistency, I should say, so ATR is a little bit harder, especially on the hot stocks, because there might not be enough data there to kind of, or enough candles that they count back, depending on the settings that you set, whether it's 1, 14, 100, it goes up to 100 days or 100 candles, I should say, on that specific time frame. It gets harder to try to find a good stop for something that might have potential or an aggressive pop or drop. So, but relying on your support and resistance for your stops, especially in SPY, that might be more beneficial than trying to use an ATR. That is more beneficial than trying to use an ATR, an average true range. But yeah, so anyway, going back to this here with SPY, had the breakout, and then of course every time we reached the area of resistance, we had some slowdown there, but unfortunately SPY just kept trucking along and just kind of pushing higher and higher for the day. So it would have been a great day for someone, say, on an EWO, possibly on an EWO, but of course you're above VWAP, you got to wait for VWAP. If you're below VWAP, it's still more bullet or bearish than it is if it would be above VWAP. And we all know VWAP, above VWAP, technically the signal is that a stock can be oversold. I don't want to confuse people. There are other indicators out there, but if it's at VWAP, it's typically what the average volume weighted average price of that stock is. And of course, VWAP can adjust itself over time. As you could see here, it adjusts as the stock continues to climb. So think of it as a fair market representation or value or average weighted volume average price of the stock. So if you're above it, it also could potentially mean bullish. And then if you're below it, it could be bearish. Now, of course, there are different time frames, right? So day traders were kind of in that moment in that day, and we're typically in and out of trades the same day. But for a long-term investor, when you're looking at a higher time frame, something that's signaling above VWAP can potentially signal you that over a long period of time that it is bullish. All right. So I'm going to take a breath here. If anybody else has anything.
I was just going to ask you, I got to know, did you get back into SPY at all yesterday?
I did not. No, I did not. I did not. But
I have a serious reminder here now before we open up in 15 minutes. And that is, if you have a cash account, please be aware that, of course, tomorrow being the holiday, the banks will be closed, and you may not have enough powder for Friday to be able to trade, as it may not be released yet from your institution bank. So think about that today, and you might want to save a little bit of powder, a little bit of your cash for being able to trade Friday. That's it. Thank you.
Yep. And as you can see the message on the screen here, in observance of Christmas Day on Thursday, December 25th, trading hours for futures products have changed. Please note that intraday margin will be unavailable on certain days. U.S. stock markets will close at 1 today instead of the traditional 4 p.m. and then options for some like SPY and some other contracts, some other ETFs, I should say. 115 is the latest you can exit a SPY contract or any other ETFs that allow you to trade it till 115. I just know that SPY, I'm well versed in that in terms of that time, but other ones I don't know exactly off the top of my head which ones will allow you to trade till 115, but I probably wouldn't wait till 115 to exit a contract anyway. But yeah, you have that little 15-minute buffer to allow you to trade. Some other notes, 25th trades executed on December 24th, settle on Friday, which is the 26th. So like Richard said, if you don't run out of powder today, you won't be able to trade until the 26th, because that's when your settled funds will come back to you. Of course, and I remind this for the future guys and gals over there, they don't have that problem because typically they enter their trades, exit their trades, and their funds are immediately available to them. So just some bragging rights that they did yesterday. They try to rub it in our faces a little bit that we don't have that problem in futures. So same thing goes with deposits as well. So overnight trading resumes at 8 p.m. on December 25th. As a result, deposits and withdrawals will require 1 additional business days for processing. So, and if you ever want to see these messages, you just go up to your Webull. On the top, there's a little megaphone with a little volume there. You can click that and see all the messages that they send out as a reminder for people.
How to make sure to trade futures.
If you want to trade futures, we have futures 8:30 every morning. Starts off 8:30, and then typically we go live. Oh, that's also another thing. There will be no live for futures today. Typically, that's at 2 p.m. Eastern during the week, Monday through Friday, during non-holiday days. And today we'll have this live session, and then we will we'll resume. We'll end it at 11, and then we'll resume back on the 26th, same time, same bat channel. And then what else we got going on that I have to remind people of? Dawn, if you could remember anything. I think we got everything covered.
Yeah,
Don't hold on to a bias. SPY is kind of trailing up right now in the pre-market. As always with anything, we always look for that profit taking to happen at the open, and then we'll see where the chips may fall. But yeah.
Make sure you have your trading checklist next to you. If you've got a journal, make sure that's beside you so that you're ready to write in everything that happens. Don't forget to write your thoughts down, because you're going to need that to be your roadmap, just in case things go sideways a little bit. You're going to need that as a reference point to be able to correct that.
Yeah, and some rules that we live by here. Dawn, do you know what those rules all are off the top of your head?
I do. Do not, above any circumstances, lose more than 1 to 3% of your account. Make sure you're using small position sizes, right? Because that'll help you allow the trade to work without getting emotionally involved to it. Also, please make sure that you are paper trading, especially if you're a brand new trader. Do not use real money. Don't trade in the first half hour, because that is when it's the most volatile, as well as the last, 10 minutes of the day, 10 minutes of the day.
If you're brand new, yeah.
If you're brand new. And I believe, obviously the most important, make sure you're using your risk management. Use your stops, right? Determine what that is and get that set up, and make sure you are not getting caught up in situations where you're losing a bunch of money because you don't have a stop. Don't be crazy, right?
Yep.
That's what you need to do.
Yep. Don't touch options if you're not ready for it. Do shares, do smaller quantities and smaller tickers, in terms of like, you're not going to be trading an Apple at $272. You might trade something a little bit lighter if you're just trying to get your feet wet in the market. We also have base hits matter, so don't be swinging for the fences. And then after everything is all said and done, if you had a really good day in the market, or maybe you didn't do so hot, you want to journal those entries and exits, and also the mindset. Were you hesitant? Were you nervous? These are all important key bulletins. I know it sounds corny. Oh, I'm going to write down my thoughts. But honestly, A lot of times when you're day trading, you forget. I mean, I forget the ticker symbol that I just traded. I'll look at it from the tops list and I'll say, here's a hot stock runner. Next thing you know, I'm in it and I'm looking at the news, but I'm not even paying attention to the company because I really don't care about the company, because I know these hot stocks I'm going to be in and out within a couple of seconds, if not a couple of minutes. But I'm more concerned, and it's more important for the volume and the news related to it, and if there's any momentum that I can capitalize on it. But going back to journaling, if I don't know what ticker I was in, or what I was feeling at that moment, and a lot of times when a day goes by, it's like, well, I'll journal at the end of the day, and that's fine. But if you start journaling 2 or 3 days later, you might not know what you were feeling or what you were thinking. Maybe some people will, but you want to make sure you capitalize on and putting down exactly what happened and what you saw. So that way, either one, you could stop the bad habits or break the bad habits, or you could correct the behavior. And the only way to do that is self-awareness. And the only way to be self-aware is writing down your thoughts. And I know some people are like, well, it's kind of like writing a diary. It is writing a diary of your trades. But if you think that you know and you don't know, or you think that I know what I was feeling that day, but do you really? If you come back and do it again the next day, or you see something that wasn't supposed to be, you weren't supposed to do that, or maybe you were below VWAP and you were trying to write calls and you saw a 2-minute EWO, but you were below VWAP and it came up to VWAP and rejected, then you run into a problem. And then you're like, well, you keep doing it at VWAP every single time. So journal, people, journal.
Yeah.
Bruno, I noticed there's a huge echo on my voice. I don't know if that is, it's on YouTube big time.
I'm not hearing an echo at all.
It's on TikTok also. Just to let you know. Some users sound fine. It's just Dawn and a little bit of Bruno.
There might be you muted yourself. Yeah, I see you muted. You're not sharing your sound, right? Because if I'm sharing the sound and you're sharing the sound at the same time, I would probably try to cut that if you can.
Because you're the only one screen sharing.
Yeah.
I want to add one last one that we have, just to remind, even though today will be a very slow day, please, at least for the first hour, we want to make your call-outs precise. Then close your mics. Don't leave your mics open and talking over each other. Otherwise, we may have to jump in and mute you, and then you would die hard. Die hard, get it?
Die Hard is one of the greatest Christmas movies of all time. Just FYI. Callie, did you want to say something, Callie?
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas,
Yeah,
Callie.
everybody that's in Zoom is echoing big time on YouTube. Just FYI.
Yeah, if I share my audio, then it will broadcast the Zoom users. I don't know what it'd be. We'd have to take a look. But yesterday it wasn't doing that, right? We weren't getting any echoes.
No.
So there's got to be something on your side there that maybe it's picking up the sound. Maybe your mic's picking up the sound, possibly. You got the headphones on, right? Yeah, you got the headphones on.
Yep.
It could also be your mic's picking up audio. Maybe. I don't know. If you have the headphones that's not coming over the speakers, then we got to find another avenue to do this. Unfortunately, when we do the dual streams where we have multiple hosts or multiple people on the mic.
Yeah, when I get stand back from my mic a little bit, it doesn't echo as much, but I do sound like I'm further away.
Yeah.
It's not gonna be perfect. You're right. We just gotta fine-tune it.
Yeah. Yeah. Just stand back a little bit. And then if people can't hear you, I'll reiterate what you're saying. All right, y'all. We got,
Y'all have a great day.
thank you, Kelly. You too. 5 minutes till the market opens.
Going south
All right.
with me.
Don't spend too much.
Oh no, 2 minutes. Yes.
Sounds good. Callie does our IPO center for us and does a really good job at it. So, all the latest and greatest IPOs that come out. We do have that. That's available with our premium membership as well. So any latest and greatest IPOs that are released out to the market, we will have information on it as well. A little. I am. Hold on a second. Give me a second.
Okay, testing 1 2, testing 1 2. I'm checking now. Okay, so now, now you're muted on YouTube. I'm not echoing as much, but I sound really far away. Either way, we just gotta find.
Well,
We'll get it right, people. We'll get it right.
Well, we're brand new to this whole thing. This is in case of an emergencies or a coach needs a day off and we don't have anybody to stream for us. That's what we got to do. We got to do. All right. So a little bit of candle dancing here.
I'll mute your restream because now they can't hear you at all.
No, they can hear me now because I unmuted myself. Yeah. So we got to figure something out. Maybe do the OBS. But at some point, he did want to have like multiple moderators up there with them. So that's going to be interesting on how we're going to set that up. So we don't run into these weird echo. If multiple people are on the stream. So
maybe a Saturday training with the setup.
Yeah. So we got a lot of. Yeah, we can figure it out.
No, you.
There is no I in team, James. There's no I in team.
Isn't that what's going to happen when he starts his ADT TV?
Yeah, when we have multiple people up there kind of piggybacking off each other. Yeah.
But this is good. These are the bugs we got to get worked out. So
yeah, we've never done it through Restream, and that's the killer is just because when you have one person on one side and you have the other person on the other, looks like there's a little bit of pull in the market here before the open. Some of the big ones are pulling back. Apple's doesn't really care. Netflix just crashed down below the pre-market setup, I should say. Same thing with NVIDIA, huge pull before the bell, and we only have 2 minutes, about a minute and 30 seconds left until the open.
Check.
Check.
Look who's here. Way to go.
Check.
he can't stay away.
Checking the microphones. Checking the microphones.
Good morning.
This restream.
What, 1 minute to the bell? Everybody ready to rock and roll today or what?
This restream ain't doing it for us, Coach.
That's all right. We'll figure it out.
Is that else on the shelf?
If it's technology, it takes about 2 seconds to fix. No problem.
See, that's why he's our leader. That's why he's our leader.
All right. Initial jobless numbers came out.
Because it's technology, it's easy to remote in and help each other, right?
That is correct.
All right, got about 30 seconds to the bell. Nobody go rogue today. Make sure you follow all the rules. Don't lose more than 1 to 3% of your total account value ever in any given day. Make sure you go in small position sizes. If you're a new trader, don't trade the first 30 minutes or the last hour of the day. Make sure you guys are trading with stocks instead of options, futures, or crypto when you're first starting out. Do not use real money. Use simulated cash. Make sure you journal each and every day. Go with small position sizes that allow the runners to run and stop out the losers.
Well, all right.
Yeah, that's what I forgot. Stop about the one.
And thank you for writing. That's Cedar Point. By the way, I'm playing Call of Duty at the same time I'm doing this. Because why? Because I'm taking a freaking day off. What do you think of that? You want to know why? Because I can.
Because Call of Duty is a Christmas game.
I'm literally playing Call of Duty Modern Warfare as we speak right now.
All right,
I hear you.
big pop on Apple to the upside.
Thank you. Don't forget, make sure you guys call out those 2-minute EWOs. Try to catch it on the first one. First indicator, that'd be great.
Huge pop. Huge pop. Holy hell. All right, be careful here on Apple. Likes to do that.
Yeah, popping at the open and pulling back after.
Yep. Let's see what Apple's got today. Remember, we've had a couple days of just sluggishness. I guess this thing's coming out hot and heavy out of the gate. Uh, 2-minute EWO continuation to the upside on Apple. Just be careful. Don't be buying it at the top of those candles. All right. Wait for the pullback or the breathe back. And as always, live Apple chat. David's over there leading the charge.
There is the 50% retracement that we are always trained on. If it has a huge candle like that, okay, it didn't quite do it. Uh-oh. That's telling you something, Apple gang. It did not 50% retrace.
All right. What else we got going on? Clear, concise call. Let's let us know, gang. Let me know if you got anything. But Apple's just tearing it up right now. Let's see what it's got.
What's Apple doing? Upside, downside?
Upside.
Another candle to the upside. No pullback after that big candle.
Apple approaching double top.
Thank you. What's SPY doing right now?
SPY is to the upside, but it is in the pre-market channel. Yep. 688.40.
Everybody's listening like a podcast. We want to be able to have those call outs so they can hear it too, no matter what, right?
Yep.
Like right now, since I can't see the actual display, you guys are my only way of knowing what the market's doing by the sound of your voice, right?
Yep. SPY is still inside of that pre-market channel. So 688.40 is what I would have. Yep.
Double top pullback.
Good call. Thank you. This is a good opportunity for me too to see what it sounds like if we were listening to this like a podcast, right? Perfect.
Yep.
We got any hot stock picks running? Anything running?
Apple is running to the upside.
Thank you. Has anything broken any key levels? Has anything at 2-minute EWOs across the board?
Let's see. We got SPYs on a first 2-minute EWO to the upside. Apple is just a continuation from the pre-market, but a strong EWO right now to the upside.
Thank you. What about the Qs?
Stocks to the upside.
Thank you. Stocks to the upside.
Stocks on first 2-minute EWO. Great.
Perfect. Don't forget to call out if they break our pre-market, our trading idea setups, right? To the upside or downside.
All right. Now that I got that out of the way, sorry. 69%. Got it. I'm done. All right. Moving on. Tesla to the downside, 2-minute EWO red. 2-minute EWO red to the downside.
The Qs initially pulled it open, but they are stair-stepping to the upside now, moving up a VWAP.
All right, thank you.
AMD first green 2-minute EWO to the upside.
By the way, everybody that's in the room, doesn't Bruno do a really good job streaming live?
All right.
Anybody in the room?
Great for TV.
Fabulous.
Yep, that's good. We'll be seeing him and hearing from him more. I like it. Good call, everybody. Nice job.
You knew that was going to happen, Bruno, right?
Yeah.
I like it.
All right. What else we got going on? Ford, Google. Google's to the downside. IWM is to the downside. Apple, what a day right now. Apple to the upside.
First 2 minute agreements. Oh my goodness. Wait for it.
Whoa. Apple's a rocket ship to the upside, up 0.64%. Wow.
Who would have said that was going to happen when it didn't pull back on that 50% candle?
Nice. And Tesla crashing out to the downside. Tesla's second 2 minute EWO to the downside.
Nike is green. Did you see the new coach?
No, I did not.
Tim Cook bought 3 million. Was it shares or dollars of Nike?
3 million. You would have heard it here first at ADT. 482.85 on Tesla's previous day low. 482.84 technically, but we'll say 85.
So you guys all heard that about Nike, which is up 4.3% right now, right? Okay, great. That's a news catalyst, ladies and gentlemen.
Whenever a big CEO like that buys a ton of shares,
that's massive.
yeah.
He saw that huge pullback. Nike's right, been pulling back.
Yeah, I think they had earnings, Maria had said.
Those Q's 2 minute red got bigger.
Thank you.
Right now,
You don't need to be sitting in this damn seat 24/7. You guys gotta listen to all this action.
right now, the Qs are flat there, JP.
Thank you.
Apple still maintaining its strength to the upside.
I'd be keeping an eye on that Nike now too, right?
We could do that.
Yeah, it's gonna be a big one today. If it has news, that's gonna be a big one for sure.
Q's will be one.
I wonder if that's impacting Apple too, though, right?
Oh, it'll help quite a bit. I mean, that shows strength that one of the richest people on the planet is investing in the market right now, right?
He's on the board too, Coach.
Yeah.
He's on the Nike board.
Which is even bigger, right? That's an even more positive boost, right?
Mike, new high.
Thank you. Micron MU, we've been calling that out for years, haven't we? That's glorious.
Yep. You said it was really hot when it was low, Coach.
Yes, we've been crushing that. You got an open mic, moderators?
Couple of open mics. They should know better.
That's really kind of down off yesterday's low.
Thank you.
Interesting double top call out on SPY. Thank you, guys.
Nice job. Is it pulling back?
You betcha.
Double top pullback on SPY. What's the key critical level up there?
Yep.
By the way, anybody that's listening, this is how I am training the staff in case anybody doesn't know. If you're listening to the sound of my voice, does everybody hear how I am training everybody on what exactly to do right now? Okay, great.
I hope so. We talked about it at the beginning of the stream.
And SPY,
Man, I don't really do anything without a plan, do I? Everything I do is pretty much coordinated and thought about.
SPY just rejected off of that 688.40 that I had called out before. So 688.
He's always call me the overanalyzer. There's a reason why we are so successful, because I do overanalyze everything. So that way, when I'm not here, it'll be just like I am here. Am I right? Yay! Coach is taking the next 6 months off. No, I'm really not. I think. Someday I'll take a real vacation. I'm going for like a whole week. And just go on vacation.
Who is typing? Is that you typing, Coach?
That's me. That's me. That's me. It's me. It's me typing there, Dawn.
Oh, is that okay? Cool.
We're getting a bouncing tiny first minute red. Keep on SPY back and forth 3.
Thank you. Is Spy still pulling back off of that double top? Or is it trying to get back?
Spy. Hold on one second. Spy.
Remember, what are our main stocks in the room?
Spy, Apple.
And
We got
Tesla. Right?
Tesla.
Spy, Apple, Tesla. Those are the ones that we call out all day, the whole show, right?
Got it.
And
Spy being the most important.
Spy's just flat, coach. I don't know
All right, thank you.
what,
So it's
you know.
consolidated
Yep.
with flat, right?
Yep.
All right, thank
I don't know what the call outs are, but they're flat. It's flat.
All right, thank you.
IWM found support at 251.12, so be careful.
Okay, thank you. Good call.
Tell you guys, we don't expect these things to run all day, right? And there's low volume, so.
Everybody tell me why there's low volume?
Because it's Christmas and institutions are gone.
Right, and
Market closes at 1, right?
Yep, so there's gonna be a lot of skittish people. We talked about that too, right?
And at 10, they said there's going to be some other announcements.
All right. Spy is now retesting the 688.40 again
To the upside?
to the upside. Yep.
All right, thank you. That's what I thought it would do. Loves to do that, doesn't it, ladies and gentlemen?
But it needs to hold and break the double top.
Correct. By the way, in case you guys don't know why it likes to do that, is because typically when it hits that double top, all of us professional traders know to get out at that spot, and then we go into sell, which causes, right, more sellers than buyers, which causes it to tank. But realistically, it's still in an upward momentum. That's why it fights to come right back to where it once was. In case you didn't know why, the psychology behind it, right? Okay, great. Damn it, I just got shot. Get off me. Oh, my bad.
All right. There's the break of 688.40 now. So we shall see. To the upside. Yep.
Yeah, it broke. Looks like Apple hit a wall at 274.74. It's pulling back, but now it's bouncing off the 9.
Nice. Oscar in there half day. Thank you. Good call out.
And just like you know.
Now, right here, everybody, Spy, right, is going from red to green, correct?
Yep.
Yeah.
So that's also a major call out, isn't it? Okay, great. Glad we're on the same page. Spy is up 50 cents from the previous day close, trying to get through this area. So you want to see a break of 689, 25 to 40 cent variance off the 688.66 that just hit. That will allow you to know that it wants to continue to run to the upside. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay, great. Good call out right there. Nice job. Way to be clear and concise. I like it.
Q's trying to break me up, coach. Fell back below with the red 2 minute.
All right, thank you. So this is going to be fighting this spot here for a little while. Let me check on Tesla.
And JP,
Tesla's still continuing to crash. Is anybody still in those Tesla puts?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, good.
JP, the Qs are still flat, buddy. I mean, it's just consolidating. It's not doing anything.
Yeah, I have the chart spread out too far. I see what you're saying.
Thank you, Tesla. 481. Just sitting here, crashing out. That is beautiful. Okay, Nike, $60 is resistance. Does everybody see it? That's where it's fighting at 60 bucks. You see it? Sorry, I'm doing this on my phone as fast as I can to make sure we're getting this information out to all of you. Appreciate you. Everybody's doing a great job. Let me check the Qs right now. Q's sitting on 622. Now, what are the Q's sitting on right now? What's this area? We got a microphone open, moderators, kill it.
Sitting on previous day close. Yeah.
That's right. So isn't it fighting right now from now green to red? This is support. That's a major area to call out, right? Somebody's mic is open. Kill it. Thank you. You guys thought I was just a pretty face here, right?
No, we know it takes a lot of work, Coach.
Yeah, it's constant, right? It's the whole show, the whole kit caboodle nonstop.
No wonder you drink so much caffeine.
Right? I don't think people realize how much, right, how hard this is to make sure the show is absolutely stunning on a daily basis.
Oh, I can go and call out.
Okay, that's great. How are we doing on these levels? Checking SPY, Tesla's accused. Apple, how we doing?
SPY is still at 688.40.
No dead air. Let's go.
Apple's consolidating at the top of the chart.
All right, thank you. Apple's consolidating at the top. What am I watching for on Apple then? Because I can't see it. All I can do is hear the sound of your voice.
I'd like to see a break of 274.75.
Okay, thank you. I like it.
But I also can just go look at my Apple chat and see what they're
Two-
talking about. 'cause, yeah,
Two-
pretty
two-
much
two-
shit.
274. 274.
274.
Thank you.
74.74.
Nice job. Good call out.
Yeah, we're going back into the channel.
Thank you. So if we're in a channel, what's the top of the channel and what's the bottom of the channel if it is truly a channel?
Confirmed to 74.
Thank you. And so that's at the top.
Yeah.
So what's the bottom?
When back in. Bottom will be to 72.50 confirmed.
Thank you. Now, do you guys see how we do that? Is everybody listening? Okay, great. Moderators, you're taking super notes. Okay, great. You guys are doing a fantastic job. Loving the show today.
Trying to follow the rules.
I like it. I like that we're being very fluid. We're vibing out today, as the kids would say. Now remember, some of us don't have a screen in front of us. Some of us are at work or playing Call of Duty, and the only thing that we can hear is the sound of your voice. So when there's dead air, or we don't know what is going on. Hold on.
Tesla is still to the downside, but the bottom is rounding out.
Okay.
Google testing VWAP to the upside.
Thank you. Nice. I think we lost Bruno.
No, I'm just keeping my mic muted because I'm hearing that it's picking up some feedback or something. So
The only time it picks up feedback is usually if we have your speaker open.
yeah, I have the feed. Oh yeah, because we're doing it through Restream. I think that's causing an issue. Maybe.
Usually it's just the speaker. Restream doesn't pick it up like that.
Yeah, I won't be able to hear you. Let me see.
Apple is now
Let's
pulling.
call them out again. What was it? Apple what?
Apple is now pulling under the 9.
Oh, thank you. And what's the other call out?
AMD on the double bottom.
Nice. Oh, thank you. What's the double bottom exact number?
1465.
214.65-ish. Okay, perfect.
Yeah,
Thank you.
the wick hit at 214.40.
Okay, perfect. So technically that's 214.50, right? That's kind of what it's looking at.
Yeah.
Great call out. Listen to you guys. It's like a bunch of professionals in here, am I right?
If only the one was
Double bottom as well.
Double bottom. Bruno, you guys keep it up. I'm gonna take the next 3 years off. You don't even need the old man in here.
I heard the critics.
Yeah, I know, right? They're like, "Where are you going, Coach? We gotta see your old face." No, you don't. Stop it.
Tesla, don't get scared out. If you're not
In a
breaking the
minute.
rule that 9.
Well, see, that won't work very well because we heard yesterday the most important rule was to listen to the sound of your voice.
That's right. Sound of everybody's voice. How's that? I'm gonna change it. Listen to the sound of all of the moderator voices.
SPY again broke out above 688.40.
Thank you.
IWM is a virgin double top as well at 252.15.
Yes.
Hold on, I'll be right back. I think I gotta go taste some food or something. Hold on, I'll be right back.
She's gonna fatten you up.
Did you guys see my stocking stuff that she got me? Holy crap. Hold on, I'll be right back.
Apple had a 273.75 as a previously strong level in the higher time frames. So we want to get back above that and view up, so it'll kind of hold that upper channel, and of course 274 the whole dollar. Want to stay above that area.
SPY just keeps struggling to chew up that previous wick there. Just reach that stall point. Let's see if we have a breakout here.
688.65. Yeah. It's a pretty slow too.
I just want to get rid of some because I know it's not a whole lot of profits, but the story will repeat itself if I hesitate.
See, so that brief back on Apple, that's why a lot of people get scared out. At the very top, we got up to about 50% on the contract. And then retracement back down to view up and test took us down to about 20%. So we lost 30% of the contracts. But if it's just runners, you're still all right to hold.
I did a massive play on Apple this morning.
All right, sorry, I'm back. Bruno, did you crush it on Apple? Is that what I heard?
Yeah.
Oh, good job. Was that upside or downside? I don't remember.
It was upside on the initial breakout, the strong. Yeah. SPY is now above the 688.40, but it's finding. Oh, there we go. Never mind. It's finding some resistance here at the 688.65 area.
Nice. How we doing? Apple 2-minute EWRs.
While you were gone, I was telling people that on that run up, we got about 50-something% of the contracts. But that retracement back down to UDOP took us down to about 20%. So that's where a lot of people mismanage their stops and get knocked out completely. But it didn't really break the rules. It didn't hold and stay below VWAP. So I still got 5 runners.
I got you.
Google broke me off to the upside, the strong.
Thank you.
IWM first green 2-minute.
Thank you. Good job over there, David. Running the
Put on your high.
What's the naked trader? Nice.
Nice new high.
Shaving some here on SPY.
Oh boy, you did not say that after I just said it.
I did.
Oh boy.
David knows. David knows.
Oh no. This is a family show. Goodness gracious.
All right, got 10 left. It's a different beast when you're trading in front of a live audience.
It's hard, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
I'm not gonna lie, I've been doing this forever, and it's still freaking hard.
Trust me, I don't even gotta talk. But when I'm trying to do the screenshots and posts,
Oh
and
yeah, tight.
I'm frying my brain. That's why I can't talk.
And David, people wanted a live Zoom call with you to do
That's why
Apple.
I said no. I mean, it's so you guys don't understand how hard it is, right? You just don't understand.
Well,
You
yeah.
can't concentrate on anything when you're trying to do the rest, right?
Yeah, you're gonna swirl out.
Yeah.
Well, I'm doing the trading for income, so I need to make sure I'm as on point as possible.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, it's very where it's very, 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 very hard.
Tesla's still staying to the downside. You wanted to break that support level of 479.75 before you even think about it to the downside. You're trying to get back in it.
I mean, even when I'm profitable, I'm maybe 10% as profitable as I would have been not trading, right? Because you can't fully concentrate on what you're doing, which means, you know, you're not able to activate all your brain into what you're doing with it. EWO, not to knock David, but it's a little bit easier because once you set it, you kind of forget it. But yours is a little more, you know, you buy a lot and then scuff off of it. But typically, a 2-minute EWO, I'll just catch it when it opens, let it run for a couple hours, and do its thing, right?
And Redding on YouTube, I see you. I left 5, so I just have like this SPY PTSD.
Still got some runners in what? Apple?
On SPY.
SPY, upside, downside?
Upside.
Oh, a swing trade?
No, I just have 5 from that breakout of 688.40. So yeah. So
SPY was not nice to him yesterday.
no, it was not.
I was over here trying to mess with my emotions.
SPY was not nice.
SPY was ripping my ass apart yesterday. Yeah. I gotta stay face with myself here.
I got you.
There's not a lot of momentum right now, that's for sure.
Apple to the upside still just found that support a lot sooner, right? They about 25% retracement back to the downside, but it's still staying up. So EWO players, you should still be okay.
Thank you. Good calls.
I need SPY here. Yeah.
All right, I see we have, what, 46 on YouTube. Let me check TikTok. 50? Yeah, it's pretty slow today.
I mean, if they are hearing feedback, it might not be a good thing.
Yeah, it's just slow. Yeah, what would the echo be from? You know what? Let me listen to TikTok. Hold on.
It's a bunch of white noise, and then I think because I'm running the audio from mine into Restream, so the only thing is with Dawn not having OBS and getting OBS set up, then might fix that, but it's just a lot of buttons to click, right? So that's the only concern.
Yeah, but if I get used to where those buttons are,
Yeah,
it would be a problem.
Yeah. And SPY is still, it's getting a little bit heavier here. Needs to stay above that 6. Thank you. It needs to stay above that 688.40, right?
Tesla continuing to the downside. Who's still getting paid on Tesla? Manny, you still in that?
No, because I needed more momentum and the gamma is going to eat up. So I got, and I'm just waiting for new setup positions.
Never popped above the 9, right?
I understand, but the time decay was kind of there.
Bruno, are you the host?
Not on Zoom, you mean, or on Restream?
Either one, so we know who's going.
Dawn has it. She's hosting it, kind of like how she does the aftermarket. I'm just on her. Yeah, I'm up on her panel.
Okay, so Dawn, you're okay. So it's coming from Dawn's system is where the Dawn, you have speakers, physical speakers.
I do, but I'm talking through a headset, so they're off.
Okay, so where's the echo coming from? Somebody on TikTok is saying it's duplicated, so we need to find out where that's coming from. Are you using OBS or TikTok Studio for TikTok?
Here, let me try this real quick. Let's see if that is it, because she's got her sound also going through.
All right, in TikTok. Oh, 1T just said it just stopped. Whatever somebody just did,
it's only when you talk on TikTok
When Bruno talks, it sounds fine. When Dawn talks, it sounds fine. All right, they 1T just said whatever someone did, it just stopped.
Yeah, that just fixed it. Yep.
Bruno, you still there? Yeah, I don't hear any echo anymore either.
Okay, so let's document what we changed. Anybody? Yeah, whatever you did fixed it. Everybody said echo's gone. So now we need to document whatever that change was, and now we know forever. Technology. TikTok, can you hear Bruno right now? Let me turn on the sound. Hold on, I'm going to... No white noise. Mike says sounds great.
I haven't done anything.
Perfect. I do not hear Bruno on TikTok. Does anybody hear Bruno on TikTok?
No, don't hear Bruno.
We do not hear you, Bruno, on TikTok. Yep. Then that would be the sound setting for which microphone you're using and or the output on you're using OBS, right? Okay, so we need to figure that piece out. So I don't know if it's coming on her end. I don't know what she's using. We need to document whatever it is she's using. OBS, Restream. I don't know what you guys are using.
I don't have OBS. I'm just using Restream.
Restream. Okay. So in her Restream settings, there is a microphone and or an output that is picking up whatever's going on in Zoom. Bruno, you can fix that because if it's Restream, you can log into Restream and you can make changes to her settings because that's all she's using. But everything else sounds perfect. I'm listening to the playback on TikTok. Everything is perfect right now. Correct. Which is what makes it perfect.
I was about to say the same thing.
But
That wasn't right.
Merry Christmas.
And a Happy New Year.
And a Happy New Year, you filthy animals. Goodness. So you guys missed me, didn't you? Shots fired. Oh, wow. What the frick? Wow.
Nice job.
Holy crap. You guys hear that? There's a Christmas story in that. You make so much damn money at American Dream Trading, you just let people talk shit because you don't care. Your life is carefree and you love life. Did you guys catch that?
I did.
Where once he would have been an angered young man, he now became an old wise man because nothing but money poured into his pockets today from American Dream Trading.
I think he's had the old part for a minute.
Yeah. Oh, did you hear that? Now they're calling you old. Yeah, we'll take screenshots and then we'll know like when something's broke, what changed, you know what I mean?
Just let me know when you want to do it.
TikTok, let us know if you hear an echo or anything weird. It's up to you guys to type it in the TikTok area. You guys see how amazing everybody here is? We have a problem. Palantir, second green EWL, and it's
Good
much
call out.
handle.
Thank you.
Yes.
I will be right back.
Thank you for the warning. Who's still making a small fortune off of Palantir that we've been calling out for years in here?
Covered calls every week.
Yes. Love this guy. Nada. I think I physically have it open, but I'm not doing anything in it. Oh, is there multiple settings for audio? Oh, okay. Yeah, I've been in it, so it wouldn't have just popped up, but I've been in it the whole time. But mine should show up as me, I would think. By the way, thank you everybody for putting up with our technical snafus. We're just trying to make sure it's right for all the time.
I'm back.
Snafu is the technical term for that, right?
Thank you.
Snafu.
Snafu. By the way, Maria, did you get everything taken care of? Everything's good? Life is good?
It is always good, Coach.
Okay, glad.
It's perspective.
All right. Should be back on the TikToks. All right, TikToks, do us a favor, please. Type in if everything is good. Moderators are standing by to watch. Do us a favor, please. Type in. Oh, I just heard me on somebody's system.
I closed it.
There it goes.
I saw Dawn for a second on TikTok, and then it went back to your screen.
Oh, okay. Did that change it for all or just your viewing? So everybody that's listening, if you go click the gear icon over on what, TikTok? On TikTok, you guys can tell the stream to go to 1080, okay?
Spy New High Day.
Thank you. Spy new high a day, $1,000. Are you in calls? And it's and the momentum's still going your way. So just lightly shed as it goes, right? One at a time type of deal.
What about with it closing early today, Coach? What time should we switch to?
That's a great point. The closer you get to about 12 o'clock, you want to really be keeping an eye on that, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because it closes at 1, so about 12 o'clock, people are going to start to get really skittish. So anywhere between 11 and noon, start really paying attention. There you go. It's making new highs. It should continue to climb if it's making new highs now.
Even our viewers are doing great call outs.
Dude, I love it. It's almost like we train this on a daily, consistent basis.
You think? Apple just went flat.
That's a flat apple.
I think so.
I mean, Tesla has been trying to break that level for quite some time. And if you look at the price of the contract, you're losing money if you're still in it.
Oh, because it's going sideways?
Yeah, it's just going sideways. That's why I was telling down and said, when I see it stall it, I was like, I would rather sell and wait to see what happened. And if you go back, I go back in one way or the other.
So what is Tesla? It just pulled back since the open and now consolidating sideways?
Yep.
All right, thank you.
It's the time decade that gets you. I mean, it's been doing that for half an hour, so.
That is correct.
And it's probably worse today.
Now, one
Oh,
way
yeah,
too,
that's why I got out.
Now, one way too, you guys can get around some of that is if you buy farther out, right? It'll cost you more money on the entry, but you won't get hit as hard on that time decay, right?
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
since I'm scalping, I didn't care. I was like, it doesn't matter. I'll come back in it if you move.
Yeah, I do that a lot. But even if I'm scalping, I still go out like 30 days, right? It'll cost you more, but you don't have to worry as much about even in its own day doing stuff. Honestly,
Hey,
the only reason you got to do the only reason you're doing same day expiration or those weeklies is just because of the cost, right? So larger your account goes, you don't need to be buying same day, and you know what I'm saying? You're not. It's not a cost thing anymore. Does that make sense? Thank you.
Coach, no call out or anything. I just want to tell you Merry Christmas and thank you for all you do. I've been here for a while and appreciate you and the moderators and wish you guys a
Absolutely.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you, man. Merry Christmas to you too. We appreciate all of you. I know I got a little sappy this morning. I don't know if you guys saw my post, but you should, because that's me as me can get. Did you guys see my post about that? It's a Wonderful Life this morning.
Yes, sir. Did you see my response?
I did.
A post about what?
That It's a Wonderful Life. I mean, that is.
Oh,
I want you
yeah,
guys to think
okay.
about something, right? So this is what I will be thinking about tonight while I'm watching it, because we watch it every Christmas Eve. I've been doing that for 30 years, right, with my wife. We do it every single time and every single year because I've been through so many ups and downs and highs and lows and riches and poor and all the things. So, right, the last 3 years, while I'm watching it, I've thought about all of you because 3 years ago, we were both, right, in a bad place, struggling. Both of us were literally doing DoorDash and Uber Eats and all the things that we all talk about, the hardships, because we both lost our jobs within 30 days of each other, my wife and I. Think about that right now. If you have a dual income family and you both lost your job in the same month, how would that affect you at all? Anybody?
Been there. Talked about it this morning.
Right?
It's not good. Yep.
So that actually happened to us. And then I want you to think about this. And then American Dream Trading came. American Dream Trading came and literally changed our lives overnight. So tonight, while I'm watching that, and I have for the last 3 years, I think about when he literally loses everything, all of his money, everything he has, when he's about to go and unalive himself. I think about all of that, right? Because it's the darkest place you can be in. And then the entire community rallies around him and literally saves his family from disaster and him. And that's what I will be thinking about. Oof, busting me up. That's what I'll be thinking about tonight, is because all of you saved us, right? Whew. Okay, try to get through that. So while some people are going to be watching shows, I will be thinking about all of you in the most heartfelt way I could possibly be thinking about, coming from our darkest place to triumph just like that movie. And that's why every year I watch it. Every year it means more and more and more to me because of the self-sacrifice, right? Trying to have all the things for my family and all the crazy stuff that I've done through the years, trying to make sure and take care of everybody else before myself, all the stuff. That is why that movie will forever be, right, the biggest thing for me. So that's why we watch it. It's not an entertaining thing to me. It's more about how you feel. It's self-sacrifice, triumph, all the human emotions, love, community, bringing it all together, God, everything is in that movie, right? So that's why it hits me so freaking hard. I've been rich and I've been poor, and there's nothing like family and community to hold it all together because you have nothing without it. That's why it means so much to me, and that's why I posted that this morning. It's not about like, oh, I'm going to go watch. I don't give a shit about that. It's not an entertainment thing. It's like life lessons, right? So that's what it means to me. That's what you guys all mean to me. So tonight when I'm crying like a little baby that I do every year, I'll be thinking about all of you because you guys saved our lives, right? So thank you. Appreciate
Love you,
You in
Coach.
turn have
Love you,
saved.
Coach.
Love you, buddy. You in turn have saved so many of our lives. Mine for sure.
Appreciate
So thank
you guys.
you.
Thank you, Coach. Merry
Absolutely.
Christmas.
Thank you guys. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Coach. You saved my life every single year.
Thank you, man. I appreciate you.
Is that Eric?
Yep.
The man with a plan.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Appreciate
What's
you.
going on? E?
So
Merry
any
Christmas,
of you that are struggling right now, seriously, any of you that are struggling right now, right? Because we've all been through some really hard stuff and together, right? We've all been in here together. I mean, look how many families we've saved and things we've raised and, right? All the stuff. We're doing this together. This is community. So if anybody else watches it, I want you to look at it from the perspective of I'm not just watching a program. I want you to think about your life in that, right? It's crazy. How many lives have we changed in here? How many lives have we touched? How many people were at rock bottom? How many people have we pulled out from jumping that bridge, right? How many people? I want you to think about it. We've done that for so many people. That's what we do in here, right? So it's a lot to it. Appreciate you.
Go Clarence.
That's right. It's just classic. It's just a classic. It's crazy because I've been watching that for 30 years and I've gone through so much stuff and struggles and bankruptcies when the housing market crashed and losing my businesses and all sorts of really hard things that happened and right downgrading and closing a bunch of stores and having to lay people off and then coming back and doing it out of my house and trying to build it back and all the things. And that movie every single year has been there and it's always meant something every year when I see it. Right? I've been through every emotion with it. I've been him at his lowest and I've been him at the triumph side. You know what I'm saying? 30 years, 3 decades putting that show together. Think about that for a minute. What have you guys done in the last 3 decades? Or if you're younger, 10 years, right? Or 5 years. Think about that. How many struggles have you guys had? How many triumphs have you had? Because that's what life is, right? It's a bunch of middle areas of regularness with a couple bursts of either trauma, drama, or triumphs, right? That's called life. So, as you guys are watching that movie tonight, which by the way, it is my #1 highest recommended film that you will watch because we always talk about what movies to watch tonight. I would highly suggest, if this is not a part of your family's plan, I would highly suggest every year you watch It's a Wonderful Life. It's the last thing we close on. We did it since the kids were little and all the things. And then, of course, we read Twas the Night Before Christmas when we had kids in the house and all the things. But every Christmas Eve before bed, watch that movie. That perspective will blow your mind, and the older you get and the more you've gone through and the more hardships and triumphs it will just mean more and more and more and more, right? It's crazy. So that's it. And get a little Jesus in you.
Think I heard some homework.
Yeah, absolute. It should be a part of your tradition. If you have a tradition, right? We love traditions here. If you have a part of if you don't, or you want to add something, add that. If it's the only thing you hear from me today, add it. And the older you get, you will look at it in a different light. It's funny, if you were young and you watched that movie, it would just look like an old cheesy black and white movie, right? The older you get, the more you realize, like him sacrificing himself for his brother, him staying around, him helping his dad with the things, and right, and all the stuff, and then him falling in love, and like all the things, and he didn't plan out it, and then his buddy comes, and he's got this huge, great deal, and he doesn't take advantage of it, so his buddy gets mega millionaire, ultra rich, but he didn't get none of that. The whole movie is crazy like that when you look at it from adult eyes, right? Anyways, I highly recommend it.
We heard you.
Coach, could you say the name of the movie again? Sorry, I missed it.
Yeah, It's a Wonderful Life.
Okay. Thanks, man.
Yeah, absolutely.
The older you get, the more you cry.
Oh yeah, it means more, right? It hits harder. It hits home. It really does. The more you live life, the more that movie will hit home with you. The more struggles, triumphs, love, sacrifice, community, church, the more all of it. It just hits harder and harder and harder and harder the older you get. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Woo. It's pretty amazing. So yes, we watched the 4 Christmases and Christmas with the Cranks and Surviving Christmas, and we watched Die Hard, all the regular Christmas stuff, but there is nothing, Christmas Vacation, right? A Christmas Story, but there's nothing that hits home like It's a Wonderful Life. That thing is just powerful. The other stuff, entertaining fun, right? Yay. Men, you better have some tissue with you, or you better be able to do the things, right?
Looks like Spy found a wall at 689.22 and is pulling back big time.
Thank you.
NVIDIA went new low. It finally broke its double bottom and went to the downside.
Yeah, I see Spy hit 689 and stopped. You guys see that it's only $1 away from previous day close, right?
Yeah.
It's barely away from previous day close. If we're a 25 to 40 cent variance, it's barely got away from that, right? By the way, does anybody like how I take my days off?
Well, say, Coach, it's a Christmas Story that does that for me.
Yeah, Christmas Story. Yeah, absolutely. That's cool.
Tesla crashing
TikTok's
out.
down.
Oh, TikTok's down.
Continue to the downside, and now a huge candle to the downside under the 9.
Heard you coughing out. Say, smoke them if you got them.
Smoke them if you got them.
Or eat them if you got them.
Eat them if you got them to save your lungs.
Yay, yay, yay.
Yay, yay. How we doing, gang?
Just sitting there watching Tesla crash out.
Okay. Let's check Tesla. Let's check the Qs. Let's check Nike. Let's check SPY. Let's see what else is going on. Is there any hot stock picks that could possibly be running?
NVIDIA and Tesla are the one going to the downside nicely.
All right, thank you.
So is Tesla. Anybody got a level on Tesla?
There is a gap to the downside right there, in my opinion, but I gotta look.
Okay. Boy, this podcast is awful quiet.
Yeah, no, I'm trying to look for some Tesla levels to help out with here.
Thank you.
All right, so on the 4 hour, it's sitting on the 55.
Do you got any major areas right now? Closer time frame? Anything happening? Any reason?
Yeah, looks like let me mark it. Okay, it looks like it might be a double bottom at.
There we go. Now we're cooking with gas.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you. Okay, so
The
if we're
wick
going,
went down to 475.07 on that.
perfect. Yeah, always look left, everybody, right? Go find data. Okay.
Target, new high of day.
Which one?
Target.
Target? Okay, thank you.
Stay on target.
Stay on target.
IWM trying to break a double top. Mini double top, so it's got some strength to the upside.
Thank you. How we doing, Apple 2-minute EWO riders?
Yeah, 3 runners, 33%. So see what happens.
All right, thank you. Time is it? 10:30. Did we decide? Were we or were we not doing a future stream tonight? I don't think we were, right?
Got SPY coming up through the double top.
So everybody tonight that's listening, there will be no future stream. So no stream at 2 o'clock today. Remember, the market is closed at 2 o'clock today, okay? Yep. But those that are just tuning in won't know it. So everybody that's listening, there will be no 2 o'clock stream tonight. Yep, absolutely. Also, no aftermarket tonight at 4 o'clock.
SPY at a double top. Thank you, gentlemen, for that.
Nice job.
It's having a hard time at that 689 level.
Thank you. How are we doing on the viewer count? Anybody watching TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, all the things? Do you guys have any questions? Is there any new followers in here? Any gifts that we're giving on the TikToks we need to address? Is any YouTube super chat or super stickers? They are available to you.
TikTok is still down, Coach, and the only question we've got on YouTube is if there's going to be any giveaways.
Okay. Oh, you know what? We have one day to Christmas, right?
Yes, sir.
Bruno, are you ready? Okay, here we go. Can everybody hear the sound of my voice?
Yes, we can.
Yes, we
There
can.
is 1 day to Christmas. I have not done a 1 day to Christmas sale today, have I?
No, sir.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
There will be, this is going to be for one person. One. First one to open your mouth. If you don't open your mouth, that's on you. Run into a wall. Run
Right
into
here.
just run into a wall. Whoever says it is going to give us $10,000 and then tell me Merry Christmas.
Right here,
Oh wait,
Giovanni. Giovanni, right here.
I love it.
I think
All
you
right.
should give Giovanni something just for being so bold, right?
Yeah, really. All right, now listen.
So I'm having a rough week.
Okay, listen. Are you ready? One diamond lifetime membership, 1,500. First person to say I want it.
I'll take it.
There,
Got
it's
it.
gone.
I
That's it.
want
It's
it.
done.
I'll
That's
take
it.
it.
It's gone. It's
Want
gone. It's gone.
Already gone.
That's
I was
it.
first.
So who said it?
Giovanni.
Actually,
Yes. Okay, Giovanni, do you want to pay for it and take it today? Yes or no?
Yeah,
Tell me.
huh?
Giovanni, do you want it?
Say
Yes
that
or
one more
no?
time?
It's
Yes.
It's a diamond lifetime membership for 1,500 for one person. You were the first one to speak up. Do you want it today? You have to do it and pay for it now.
No, I can't.
There it goes. Okay,
I
so
thought you did
who?
something else.
I'll take it. This is Lyndon. I'll take it.
I'll take it.
Todd?
Yeah, I'll take it, Coach.
Okay, done. Todd, open up a ticket right now. Merry
That's a freaking crazy deal, Coach.
Merry
What, did you
Christmas.
lost your mind or
Very well.
something?
What about me, Coach?
Merry
Do you have
Christmas.
any 4-pack private lessons discount? Merry Christmas.
Not with
You
me.
know.
Okay.
Appreciate it though. Thank you. All right. So anyways, since I did not have a 1 day till Christmas, there it was.
Damn, Coach, you got a 6-pack of lessons?
6-pack.
Thank you, Coach.
You're welcome.
All
Those
right,
are
Coach,
those
one
are too
more.
hard. The one-on-ones and stuff, those are too hard, man. Those are crazy hard.
Me
That's
too.
awesome. That's hilarious. I love it. Hold on, gang. I'll be right back. Congratulations, Todd.
Yeah,
Right.
give me 1 second, but I'll take care of it.
Yeah, nice job.
Welcome to the Diamond, Todd.
Yeah, that's insane, dude.
Yeah.
Tomorrow, those will be 12 grand again. Congratulations.
Yeah, I've been waiting 3 years for that, so
Nice job, Todd.
almost 4, whatever it is.
Love it.
Are there any of the diamonds left for 3,000 or are those gone?
It's Christmas. He's willing to pay what Coach just did, double. I know that's right. I tried for you. Yeah, it is. Way to go. Todd, good job buying on the dip, brother.
Yeah, you gotta play the game.
Mm-hmm. Diamond dip. Okay. Todd brought on the diamond dip. How's she doing? She all right? Okay. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, go handle your mom, man. Go take care of mama. Be careful with Spy Gang at the 689.22 because it's obviously having a hard time with that. Who can tell me why? Anybody?
Is it really a question?
Yeah, right? It is. Answer for me.
Been trying multiple time. It's not moving.
Low value.
690.
More time
low
it's gonna
volume.
try and not succeed. More chances can go the other way.
Well, and 690 is a major level, right?
Yep.
Data to the left of that, it spikes down.
And that 689.20 is a high a day from a number of days ago. I got a gold line there.
See, there you go. So Tesla is still to the downside. And it's coming up on that level that Bruno and I discussed. Not quite there, and they're already pulling back. So they are buying in early. They're not letting it get to the level. Remember, Coach always says if it's a double bottom, double top, you don't let it get to the level, right? You get in or get out early. And that's what they're doing. It's breaking the 21 on the 1 minute. So don't stay in there with hopium. If you were in there to the downside, go ahead and take your green or shed right now. Don't leave it all in there.
Check, I'm back.
Hey.
Hey, girl, hey.
Hey, boy, hey.
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 Speaking of that, has anybody heard from Christina? Is she still alive?
She was on the aftermarket last night.
Oh, nice. Okay, yeah, that's great.
Yeah. She was in the chat.
She's using futures this morning.
Oh,
Yeah.
good. Okay.
She trades futures now, Coach.
I know. I just thought
Yeah.
she'd pop in every now and then to say hi to the old man, but
Oh, Christine, are you listening? Did you hear that in his voice?
whatever. It is what it is.
Oh, she left you for Mark and drank the Kool-Aid.
She did. It saved her
Must
life,
vibrate
and
that
she
level.
saved her life, and then she hangs out with Mark.
Oh.
She's like a bad ex.
No. Christina, are you listening?
Am I lying?
You know that's going to pull her out of the shadows, right? If they are listening over there at all, she will be here.
Oh no, I'm just.
You're not wrong though, Coach.
Yeah, I'm not wrong. There's a little bit of joke, but all seriousness, you know, you could come by and say hi to the old man. You know what I'm saying? Hint, hint, nudge, nudge, wink, wink. Right.
There wasn't too much hitting around about that. That was
Nope.
straight to the point.
Yep. It doesn't hurt at all. There's no hurt there. There's no love loss there. None at all. Right.
Google reversed and then pushed back up and broke VWAP.
Thank you. If it makes you feel better, Christina, I don't hear from Brady or Jimmy anymore either after I completely changed their lives. So don't feel bad.
Shots.
I can't even get them to respond anymore. They're just like, yep, I'm some of the richest people on earth now. Bye, Coach. Oh, okay. Love your face. Appreciate you.
To me, I'm gonna tell you, Luke, I have a big issue with that because
I have a big
if you
issue
were,
with it
I'm
too,
gonna
but I
say
don't
it the
ever
way I
normally
say,
say it.
Coach. If tomorrow you make me a millionaire, I will still be here at least once a month out of
Thank you.
respect.
Thank you. I
Period.
appreciate that. Yeah,
I'm saying that.
Thank you. That's kind of how I feel. If somebody touched my life and changed it in the most ridiculous way that there ever could possibly be in my life ever, I'd probably be on their doorstep every Monday. What can I do? How are you today? Is there anything I can help you with? Is there anything that I can do to serve you? Is there any way I can help you? Is there something? But I don't know.
Coach, you
That's just
helped me. And I was on the struggle bus for quite some time. What did I do? I show up every day. I show up every day.
It. Now listen,
and I
I'm
never
not
give
saying
up.
this
show up
because I
every
don't
day.
want you guys to feel like you owe me something, but the kind of person that I am so faithful that it's ridiculous, right? It's insane.
Same
probably
here.
Yeah,
That's
probably
how it
to a
is.
fault. But
Here,
that's how
brother.
I feel about it.
There should be more people in the world like that. And shout out to Palm and Mark.
Exactly. I know. 100%. I like it. And like I said, people can go and live their lives. I understand that. But I haven't heard from them in like a year. Does that sound cool at all?
No.
I haven't heard from Brady in probably 2 years. I don't I don't get it. I don't get it.
Whoa,
Coach,
Spy.
thank you for your loyalty, faithfulness. Thank you.
Yeah, I don't understand it.
It's not cool. It's just not showing any type of, I mean, initially there was gratitude there, but now it's like you never just walk away from that.
I'm still waiting for a, hey, Coach, Merry Christmas. I hope you and your family are doing well. Is there anything I can do for you? I want you guys to remember something, right? What if my life was absolute dog shit? What if I lost everything behind the scenes and I'm just dying and nobody's even checking on me while I'm checking on everyone else, right? Isn't that kind of a weird thing to think about?
It is.
You know what I mean? Like, you don't check up on the only person that makes sure you're all okay is the only one that no one is checking on. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of weird to me. And my wife tells me all the time, and I know it's going to sound terrible, but she's like, are they really your friends? Are they really there? Like, if you were dying, would they truly show up? I don't know. I really don't know that. If my wife needed help, would all the 16 millionaires that I've helped out, would they show up on a drop of a hat and be like, what do you need, Mrs. Christian? We're here, right? I don't know. I don't feel that way. I don't know. I could be wrong and I could be being selfish about it, but honestly, I'm just not built that way.
I'd show up anytime you need a shovel.
I appreciate you.
Same here, Coach.
Yeah, most of us would, Coach. So
appreciate.
I was going to say that's probably the few,
got
Coach. I
backup.
think most others would, and not
This is
everybody's
rough.
built.
And
the
there's
same,
more
you
of
know?
us than there are of them.
I appreciate it. And I'm not, listen, I love Jimmy and Brady, and that's why it hurts so much. You guys know that, right? It's not like I'm picking on them. I was there from the beginning to the end. It's not like I'm dogging them. I just feel so disrespected and not appreciated. There's been no happy Thanksgiving, happy birthday. How are you, Coach? Hey, Merry Christmas, right? How are things? Nothing. Nothing at all. Nothing. Zero. What if I was dead over here? What if I was dying of cancer or my wife was? Or like, there's just nothing, just no correspondence at all. How are you today? Not even faking it? It's frustrating. So yeah, Christina, keep hanging out in the futures. Don't stop in every now and then. Say, how are you today, Coach? Thank you for not letting me live on the street and personally taking your own time, money, energy, raising ass loads of money, begging people, selling as many products as I could to make sure you survived. Don't come over and say, hey, Coach. That'd be great. Thank you. Appreciate you.
See, I went radio silent on that shit. Right? I ducked down.
Does anybody understand though, like where I'm coming from? Am I just being a selfish bonehead?
Absolutely. If you can find 5 good friends in a lifetime, you're a miracle worker.
Me too, Bruno.
Retard, dude.
I love it. Appreciate you guys. Some days I just feel like I don't know. It's just wild. It's crazy. It is what it is. And I know this is my job, and I know I'm not supposed to care as much, and I know I'm not supposed to, right, fall in love with what I do and the people that are in the room and overly care and make sure and text them. And I used to physically call those guys, right? Because that's when we first started. I would call them when they were going through their hardships that you guys have no idea about. Guess who was there? Right? And they were going through some real hardships. And guess who was there? Right? Yeah.
And they didn't pay no premium for that, Coach.
Nope. It was
The
just
crazy
open
thing is, Coach,
friendship.
is guess who was there when you probably weren't doing that good at the same time.
Right. Yeah, I mean, this hasn't been an all-day picnic running American Dream Trading. I don't know if you guys know that or not, right? I mean, this isn't just like, oh, it's just easy and things happen and here comes money, and that's not how it works. It's been hard. This is really hard. Giving my entire life to this, what we're doing in here, is really hard, right? It is what it is. I can't fall in love with everybody. Why do you guys think I cry when you guys become millionaires? It's because I actually care, right?
Coach,
It's because I know. Oh, shit.
you talking shit about me? What's going on in here?
Not at all. Not at all.
What's happening?
Love your face.
I love your face.
Good to hear from you. I haven't heard from you, and I don't even know how long.
I know. I messaged you back on, not message, but on the Discord. And I said, I know I'm alive.
Oh, boy. Okay.
Oh, boy. No, I've been sick. When I've been in, I'm just in futures in the morning. I've been really sick lately.
It's good to hear your voice.
It's good to hear your voice. I'm going through a little bit of hell out here in life, so
I hear you.
Yeah.
We're all here together. I know you're over there hanging out in the futures. I would like to hear from you every now and then. You can at least send me a message. Coach, I'm still alive.
Okay. I can send you a message. We weren't supposed to message on here.
Stop.
Last time I messaged you, you didn't even see it yet, because I know you get tons of messages. When your son got married was the last time I messaged you.
Stop it.
Seriously.
Come on.
Go look.
Now I'm going to look.
Go look. You'll see it.
Now you're going to make me look.
Go look.
Did you send me a direct message?
Yes, a long time ago.
A long time ago.
Yes, when your son got married.
Oh, boy.
I
Probably
did not.
did.
No, it was from when we were
Sending
messaging
Bitcoin
before.
to some Nigerian prince.
No, let me see. I'll go look. I'll tell you the date of it and everything. Oh, the nice Nigerian prince. Wouldn't mind that right about now. I'm just saying. Let's see. I sent it on.
I'm going through it. Type in a period or something, because it's not even pulling up on my list.
All right, hang on. Hold on.
Oh, boy. Oh, boy.
She's gonna send the message, and then Coach is gonna be like, "I didn't get it."
There.
She's been conversing with the.
I know. I've been talking to the wrong person now. I just said hi.
Now hold on a minute. Okay,
What?
everybody in the room, do you want to know when the last message she sent?
I told you, February.
February.
I told you it was a long time ago. I said last time I sent a message, you didn't even see it. So I figured
It's
you
been
got so
a
many
year.
messages. I know, because you don't see messages. So I figured, why am I going to bother you?
Come on.
Send me your number. I'll text you.
No,
I would like to text you sometime, actually.
Oh boy.
There's been some days I wanted to text you because I needed to talk to you.
Oh,
Seriously.
boy.
Oh boy.
Send us all your number, Coach.
Oh boy. Everybody. Right?
Everybody.
Coach,
You
don't
open
work
that
enough.
Pandora's box.
That way you get 5 messages a year.
That's
I'm
right.
serious, though, Coach. I haven't needed to talk to you, but you're so busy. I can't catch you in here. You got so many people listening. I'm not going to interrupt you.
Come on, you could pop in and say, "Hey, Coach, thinking about you today. Have a blessed day. Love your
I
face."
have been thinking about you.
Come on.
I said it right there yesterday. I said, "Love your face, Coach," right on the Discord. And you,
Coach,
you should see it.
she's just afraid to be in bully in the futures room for no coaching.
She's over there drinking the damn Kool-Aid.
Yes, she is.
Esteban, even tell him I haven't even been there much lately, have I?
No, you have. You have been there lately.
Past couple days, but
he just got
called
out.
Yeah, bullshit,
Esteban, I'm not even in
Esteban,
there at all, am I? Esteban's
you're
like,
such
you
an
show
ass.
up every day, regardless, no matter what's going on.
No.
Play along, Esteban.
No, I really wasn't around for a few days. I haven't been around that much.
He hit the gong on her.
Esteban, you are in deep shit, Esteban.
Esteban's like, wait a minute, what are you talking about? You always say how you don't want to go talk to Coach at all.
Shit, that's not what I said. What the hell, you guys? Stop it. That is
I
not
found
true.
Coach's number. It's 867-530.
309.
Love you, Coach.
I love you too, man. You guys are awesome. Thank you for cheering me up, making it a great day. Yeah, go ahead.
Coach, this community is the best Christmas gift I have ever gotten.
Thank you.
Thank you for everything.
Yeah, I appreciate you. I appreciate you not lying for Christina either.
I'll never do that.
I was not lying. I was not lying. Damn it.
That's right. Thank you
Maybe
for the
I just
loyalty.
see things differently, I guess. I don't know. Fuck. I don't know what the hell.
The minute you guys
people.
called Christina to this room, I knew I had to be here to
Listen,
make
I knew it was bullshit when I saw her in the Ohio State jersey. I knew there was something wrong.
Shit.
I knew it.
No, that's
Damn
never
it.
gonna happen.
Oh boy.
I always gotta keep an eye on Christina to make sure she's doing good.
100%. Yeah.
Keep her in check.
There's just key people that I want to make sure, I mean, that are doing the things and living the lives and they're surviving, and you know what I mean? A checkup would be great. That'd be great.
Life has been shit lately, Coach. Things have gone haywire, and I've been in a big mess. So
I hear
I'm
you.
just
Life happens.
Yeah,
Yep. I hear you.
yeah.
Hey,
so-
Coach. Coach, thank you for sending me the request on TikTok to follow me.
Yeah, I got about 5 million of those too. I got about 6 of you following me over there.
Yeah,
Coach,
okay.
you're sending out those friend requests again.
Oh my
Yeah.
gosh.
I know. Coach is always like, I feel special.
Coach is always like, send me your Bitcoin. I will
Yeah.
trade for you.
Yeah,
try
I was about to
messaging
say,
me.
it's always
Hey.
about crypto.
And I get the how's your trades going? How's
Oh
your trading
my
going? And I'm
gosh.
like, oh Jesus, he
Those
he has
that
no
are
clue.
those that are listening, that will never be me. We're just joking. So I will
That's
never.
why the joke.
Well, whenever they send them to me, it's always how was your trading today? And I'm like, check the chat. You should be able to see it.
Yeah, exactly. You tell me, right?
Yep. Yeah, one was saying something to me one time, asked me a question. I said, oh, remember we talked about that at lunch today? And he was like, oh, he didn't say anything back. Can you-
Silence.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Now hold on. Did everybody catch that?
Catch what, Coach?
She will talk to the fake coaches,
Oh,
but
bullshit.
not the real coach.
I was calling him out. That
She's
was a
having
long time ago.
conversations with the Nigerian princesses,
Oh,
but not the coach.
I would always talk to you. You're just busy, and I didn't message you. I told you I messaged you a long time ago. You never read it, so I didn't message you again because I know you're busy.
In
You probably don't
February?
get them. Yes, because you don't get them because you probably have millions of people messaging you. So I'm not going to message you and bother you.
Okay. How about
You want me to
pop into-
message you? I will blow you up. I'm
Listen,
telling you,
how
I'll
about
message you.
pop into? How about on your way over to Futures when you're about to click the button, you pop in and go, "Hey, Coach, thinking about you. Have a good day. I'm going to go over here and hang out with Michigan." Or
Okay.
I'm leaving Michigan and I'm going to
You
hang out
leave a
with
message.
Ohio.
I will do that. I do come over when I'm early. I come in, I listen to you guys, and then I'm gone. I leave at 6:30, 8:30, and then I go. But you're not there at that time, right? When I'm going. Yeah. You haven't been around much lately. Not that I know of.
Nope.
See.
Nope.
In fact, you're not even here today.
Nope. I'm never here.
I know.
Even on my vacation days, I'm just never in the room. That's crazy.
We didn't even get the time to place our wagers to see how soon you were gonna get in.
Oh, that's hilarious. You know what's funny? I even told my wife, she's like, "You're going to take the day off?" I'm like, "Yeah, I'm going to take the day off." I said, "I'm going to play games and I'm going to mess with my technologies and I'm going to do stuff." And
Yeah.
I'm in here. I've been in here
And here
for
you are.
hours.
And then you're like, well, I can use technology to get online and
That's
check on
right.
everybody.
Yeah.
That's right. Yeah,
Yeah.
let me just
Just
get
a
in real
test.
quick, make
Let me
sure
just
everything's
test it
okay.
out.
Let me go in and check on those that care about me real quick, because I know that they want to hear the sound of my voice because they care about me and would show up and at least say hi to me,
I know you're not
even
throwing
when
that at
I'm
me.
not
Come
around
now,
or
now.
available.
Stop it. I love your face, Coach.
Because
I
that's
care
what I
about
would
you.
do.
I know. I'm sorry. I've been all about me lately. I'm
Okay,
I'm
all
very
right.
selfish lately because I'm in my pity party. I'm having
That's all
bad
right.
days.
Now listen.
Yeah.
Listen. As an old wise man,
That's
only
younger than
because-
me. Thanks.
Only because I've been through a bunch of BS.
Mm-hmm.
Typically, if everybody, some of you will know exactly what I'm talking about. But when you make life all about just you,
Yeah, it sucks worse.
everything gets highlighted just about you, right?
Oh no.
Yeah.
Yes.
So the more you dwell on just you, the more just you becomes a bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger problem, right? Anybody
Yeah.
that's old and wise, you know what I'm talking about, right?
Yes, sir.
I know
And
exactly
then you
what you're
miss
talking
the point
about.
of life.
Yep.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
maybe stop making it just about you, right? Or try not to dwell on just on the negative and what's the woe is me part. You know what I mean, right?
Yeah, I know what you mean.
Because then you are in a cycle of shit and you can't get out, and that's all you think about, which makes it worse and worse and worse. So instead of all that, if you're thinking about other things, it might not be that bad anymore.
I'm trying.
Try harder.
There's just so much to do.
Try
I have
harder.
so much to do.
Nope,
It's constant.
try harder.
I can't stand it.
Try harder.
Okay, I'm trying harder.
That's it.
I will.
Listen,
I
there
am.
is either you will do it or you will not in life.
I know, and
I'm telling you.
I will. I'm gonna make it. You know that. You know I'm gonna make it. I just gotta get through the shit. You know, and yeah, I'm kicking back right now. I've been getting kicked. I'm kicking back.
I understand.
It just
So
sucks. Yeah.
spend your time, right, on pursuing excellence, whatever that is in your life right now, doing the things, control the controllables, not the things you can't control. There's nothing you can do about that shit, right?
Right.
Spend the time, pop in for the people that actually give a shit, who are there when you needed it the most. You might want to say hello because maybe they are the only ones you could really rely on in this world because nobody else will give an F.
I know.
And then start from there.
I'm embarrassed because everybody helped me and I'm still doing poorly.
And
it sucks.
That's
know?
not what it's. Listen, that's not how it works. Life isn't just that immediately life changed and things are great and woo. That's not how it works. You know that. Come on.
I know.
There's no room for embarrassment. That's not how it works.
Yeah.
You just keep showing up. You keep doing the things. Don't be embarrassed. Don't be embarrassed at all. That's not what it's for. So show up.
Okay. Thanks.
Appreciate you. Love your face.
Love your face. Thanks.
If I didn't love you, I wouldn't give a shit, and we wouldn't be having this conversation, and I wouldn't feel hurt when I don't hear from the ones that I love, right? Because I already have abandonment issues when my mommy left at 4 and my dad never gave a shit. So my friends are the only circle that I have. So I don't have any abandonment issues when my friends dog me out.
I'm sorry.
All right. Love your face.
Love your face. Thanks.
You're all right. Everybody's cool. Everybody, if we didn't care, nobody would say anything. Honestly. And if I didn't care, I wouldn't say anything. I'd just be like, yeah, Christina's not around. Who gives a shit? That's how it works.
I know.
Am I right? Am I lying, everybody?
No,
you know what I'm saying?
No, that's
totally right.
I didn't care. I just be like, yeah, whatever.
You're
Bye.
totally right. I know. No, I know. Yeah. I know.
So appreciate you. So don't ever be afraid. None of that matters. This isn't I'm supposed to be great now. Who the hell said that? What kind of Hallmark movie bullshit is that? Because that ain't real life.
No.
Takes a long time. I mean, listen, I've gone through bankruptcies and lost businesses and family members and all sorts of stuff.
Yeah.
Life can really kick you in the teeth.
Mm-hmm.
So
yeah,
you just got to keep showing up. You got to, listen though, I'm going to tell all of you guys this. The ones that really care about you, show it in a huge way that you understand and appreciate they care about you. Because there's only going to be maybe less than 5 people your entire life that actually give a shit about you, right? Your family, your friends, everybody will say they will. How many of you in your darkest day know that they would not show up at all? Doesn't matter. They would let you literally die in the street regardless of what they say to your face.
Oh, I know for sure.
Anybody in the room?
For sure.
For sure.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
So the people, when they show up, that really show up, that actually do something, that really care, make sure they know that you know, because that is such a rare situation in life. I got people, I'm your best friend. I'm your... Yeah. The second I got broke or lost my businesses and there was no money and the gravy train was gone and I couldn't do the things, they're the first ones I never heard from again.
Mm-hmm.
So the people that care, show up. Like Mark coming in here every day, don't tell the old man this. Don't tell him this. Right? But he shows up every day and it's not like he's not obligated in any way to be here. I don't know if you guys know that. And when I'm not here, he's here. Like all the things. Now, he's a boomer, so he shows in an acts of service, right? That's his way. You don't hear Mark over here, I love you, coach, right? That's boomers don't do that shit. Let's be honest. So his love is acts of service. So I make sure to always tell him, dude, I appreciate you so much, right? The things that you do for me, all the things. And maybe I don't tell him enough, so today I'm going to tell him. But really, the people that show up, the people that genuinely give a crap about you, the people that will bend over backwards and help you and do the things, make sure that they know, even if it's just pop in. How you doing, coach? Good. Have a good day. I don't need you hanging out and shooting the shit for 24 hours while we're in the live. All I want to hear is thinking about you, appreciate you, have a good day. It's not hard. Doesn't take anything. Yep. And I say it every day, twice a day, right? Twice a day I make sure it's a part of everything we do because I do give a shit because you guys care. And a lot of you are on volunteer type basis, right? Which means you're not obligated to be here like the people that are on the payroll, which means even more. Not that people on the payroll don't do as much and all that stuff. But what I'm saying is people that are not being paid, shit, you're just doing it out of the kindness of your heart at that point. Yeah, we're trading services and all the things, but you know what I mean, right? When you show up, it actually means something because you don't have to show up. So on this Christmas, if any of you have anybody that actually cares about you, let them know today. Go tell them. I'm thinking about you. It doesn't even have to be anything huge. It doesn't have to be drama. You don't have to, open the phone line and talk to them for 5 hours or whatever the thing, or whatever you're scared of doing. Tell them how much you appreciate them. Even if you send them an email. I'm thinking about you today and I appreciate you. That's not too hard, is it? Anybody?
Nope.
Try it. It might change your life. It might open some crazy doors, right? All right, love your faces. Listen, it's 11 o'clock. I don't know where the hell the show went today, but it's Christmas, and I'm thinking about people, and I'm thinking about who is and isn't in my life, and who I want to be in my life, and who I think about all the time. Obviously, there's some pain in there because I'm thinking about these people all the time, right? And on the holidays, by the way, this is why the holidays are the hardest. Am I right, everybody? It's because you're thinking about people, right?
Right.
That's what makes holidays. So tell them how much they mean to you, right? It might change their world. It might change your world. Do the things. I love everybody that's in here. I appreciate you. Again, tonight I'm going to be watching It's a Wonderful Life. The whole time I'm going to be thinking about you guys because I wouldn't have a wonderful life if it wasn't for this community, the people that have paid money, those of you that are here. I mean, you guys took us out of darkness, right? You literally took us out of darkness. So I appreciate all of you. And if I don't say it enough, or you don't hear it enough, or you don't take it in enough, like maybe because, he says the same thing every day, right? It's kind of like telling your wife she's beautiful every day, and eventually she's like, well, he says it all the time. You know what I'm saying, right? You hear it all the time, so it might not mean as much. But I want you to drink it in. I really mean it. I appreciate all of you. You guys have all changed my life for the better, and I will never be the same, and I love your faces. Merry Christmas, everybody. Appreciate you all. Everybody, God bless. Have an amazing day. Make sure you get a little Jesus in you. This is the day, right, of Jesus, so I appreciate everybody. I love your faces. Moderators.
Appreciate you, Coach.
You
Love you, Coach.
Thanks,
Thank
Coach.
Thank you, guys.
Thanks for coming
Christmas,
in
Coach.
today,
Thank
everybody.
you.
Merry Christmas, Coach.
Merry Christmas, Coach.
Merry Christmas, Coach.
Thank you,
Merry
everybody.
Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Coach.
Merry Christmas, Coach, and everyone.
Merry
Thank
Christmas,
you.
Merry
Coach.
Christmas.
Thank you, guys. Appreciate you.
Merry Christmas, Christina.
Thank you. Merry
Christmas,
Christmas to
gang.
you. Merry Christmas, everybody.